What is Jio Coin? Will it replace INR? What if I told you that a single coin could completely change the way we think about money in India? Yes, I'm talking about Jio Coin. Is this the beginning of a digital currency revolution, or just another buzzword in the world of technology? Stay tuned because today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Jio Coin, including whether it has the potential to replace the Indian Rupee. Hello and welcome to your channel name, your one-stop destination for all things tech and finance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for updates. And if you're already part of the family, welcome back. Let's dive into the buzz surrounding Jio Coin, Reliance Jio's rumored foray into digital currency, and what it might mean for India. Is Jio Coin gearing up to redefine financial ecosystems, or is its potential overhyped? Let's analyze it through the lens of a tech enthusiast. First things first, Jio Coin hasn't been officially launched yet, but here's what's being whispered in the tech corridors. Reliance Jio is reportedly working on a blockchain-based digital currency. For those new to blockchain, imagine it as a highly secure, decentralized ledger system that supports cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In Jio Coin's case, the aim isn't just to have another cryptocurrency, it's to create a cohesive digital payment ecosystem for Jio services. Picture this, paying for your JioMart groceries, mobile recharge, or even Jio Cinema subscriptions with a single currency, seamless and efficient. But here's the twist. Unlike decentralized cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Jio Coin may be centralized and fully controlled by Reliance Jio. This could make it a unique entrant into India's financial landscape, offering both opportunities and challenges. Now let's explore how Jio Coin might function. If Reliance introduces it, Jio Coin could operate as a closed-loop currency exclusive to the Jio ecosystem. It may enable transactions for goods and services, support peer-to-peer transfers, and even let customers earn rewards. Reliance has a reputation for building expansive ecosystems, and Jio Coin could act as the connective thread that integrates internet services, entertainment, and e-commerce platforms. Imagine reducing the transaction clutter in our daily lives with one unified currency. Moreover, with a massive user base of over 400 million, Reliance could use Jio Coin to familiarize millions of Indians with digital payments. This could be a monumental leap toward a cashless economy and a fascinating case study for tech enthusiasts. And now, the big question. Can Jio Coin replace the Indian Rupee? The simple answer, unlikely, and here's why. Firstly, any attempt to replace the INR would require approval from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. While the RBI is already exploring its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, it remains cautious about corporate cryptocurrencies. Jio Coin is unlikely to breach that barrier. Secondly, the Indian Rupee is tied to the country's economic framework and backed by the government. Jio Coin, being a corporate-driven project, may find limited applications compared to INR. Paying taxes, salaries, or interstate commerce with Jio Coin might be out of the question. Still, Jio Coin could function as a parallel system for digital payments, simplifying cashless transactions within the Jio ecosystem. While replacing the INR seems far-fetched, its role in India's evolving digital economy holds immense promise. So, where do we go from here? If Jio Coin launches, it could revolutionize the digital payment landscape with groundbreaking innovation. Its success will depend on regulatory green lights from the government, user adoption, and competitive positioning by Reliance. But Jio Coin is bigger than just a payment mechanism. It symbolizes the potential of a tech-enabled financial shift in India. With its widespread customer footprint, Reliance Jio could be onto something game-changing, albeit within a controlled framework. What are your thoughts on Jio Coin? Do you think it could transform the way India perceives money, or is it just another corporate exercise? Share your views in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If this video gave you valuable insights, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more tech-driven content. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and stay informed.